Hi friends, here Dr. Technician, helping you go further, faster in tech. Today, we are looking to how can create this type of shatter effect in After Effects. Before entering to the video, consider subscribing and press bell icon to get notification. Let's get into the video, coming up. First of all, click New Composition, let's call it Shatter. Here select Composition Settings. And click OK. Add object to timeline. The object should be in PNG format. Here, let's pre-compose this object, and rename it Logo. And tick this option, leave all attributes in Shatter. And in Effects and Presets, search Shatter Effect. And drag it into the object. Now we have to render this effect with the object, and change shape to look like the actual shattering. Change View Mode and Effect Control to Rendered. The shatter effect is rendered with the object, but in the shape of bricks. Let's change shape to glass. Go to Shape in Effect Control, change Pattern to glass. Perfect, you can see the shape is changed. Let's take a look at Preview. Now we have to create this shatter in this part of the object. To do that, we have to create Mask. Click right, and go to New, and select Solid. Select this color, and rename it to Mask. Now we have to change color to white. So, search in Effects, Fill, drag to Mask. Change color here to white. Then hide mask layer with click this little eye mark, then select mask layer and choose Pen tool. And draw anywhere on the object, where you want to apply shatter like this. When you unhide mask layer, you can see the mask is reduced to that extent only. And then select Logo layer, and go to Gradient and Shatter Effect. Change Gradient layer to Mask. Here change to Effects and Masks. Shatter threshold to 1%. Here, when we play you can see the shatter is little bit messy. Now we have to re-ridge it to be look like quite natural. We have to adjust these edges. At first, increase shatter repetitions to 45. We can change origin point using this little mark, drag this point to wherever you want. Reduce extrusion depth to 0.05. Now, let's go to lighting options. Reduce light intensity to 0.30. Increase ambient light to 0.80. Change light depth value, 0. Let's take a look at the preview. Perfect. Now, let's modify physics of the shatter, like rotation speed, and gravity. First of all, change gravity value to 0, and look at the result. Now, here let's change rotation speed of this part, change here to 0.30. Symbol axis, XY. Increase randomness value to 0.3, and viscosity to 0.5. Let's look at the preview. You can see the changes in rotation of shattering parts. Now let's change shattering force, expand force 1. Move time indicator to 1 second, and create a keyframe for radius. Expand logo layer. And move time indicator a little bit backward. Change value of radius to 0. Look at the result. Perfect. Here we can drag mask to anywhere you want. Just click Ctrl and drag mask corner. Alright. Here, select logo layer, and press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Select first layer. Go to Effect Controls. Expand these sections. And increase repetitions to 250. You can see the result. Alright. Change strength value of force 1 to 4. And decrease extrusion depth to 0. And in physics, randomness to 0.5. And viscosity to 0.6. Look at the preview. Perfect. From now on, when you draw mask in the object, you can see that part will be shattered. Before we apply new mask, we have to delete the older mask. Now let's try multiple mask. Perfect. At last, let's try rectangle mask. Thanks again for checking out this video. If you get any progress using this video, give me a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe for more videos like this. And again, Dr. Technician, helping you go further, faster in tech. Keep crushing it. We will talk soon.